Welcome back. Today we're going to be adding a form, particular a contact form, using the editor in the ZanzaBee marketing platform. So what we'll do is start off with show you a, a pre-built template of a form, and then we'll go to ZanzaBee's basic form and we'll modify it and show you how to make it look similar to the sample that we see. So basically in front of us we see a form on a page, a contact form. And as you could see, we have images and we have the fields and a description above there. And we can basically change text, the CSS, the styles. We can add fields. We can modify sizes and backgrounds, different things. So let's look at this particular form here, pre-built. If I want to, you see it says contact form. I can change the styling of the text just by right-clicking on it, highlighting it, and selecting, for example, bold. Now I can also do that to the fields that we have below it. Subject, name, email, message. If I do the first one, subject, since they all have the same style, if I do that first one, it'll carry over, so I'll put bold also. And I could also change the color. If I want, I could make it maybe reddish. Would be a good contrast here. And that sets all the color of the fonts below that. So we can also change backgrounds. So if I take the first field there, subject, I can change the background of it by clicking the background of the field subject, for example, and clicking on the toolbar, the background icon. I can put in a different background for it. So we'll use a dark background there. And then I'm able also, using the icon that you see above on that box around that first field, I can also click on the icon to style the border, and we can do that. Solid, we'll put 2 pixels. Round it slightly at 3%, and we'll give it a yellow border, as you can see there. So that's border, backgrounds, images we can add, as you see up on top there. So let's now add another field to this. For example, if I want to add on this form, we'll add the field such as department, and we'll make that a select because it's very compact type field, so we'll make it select. So let's go click the background of the form and click the little plus icon on top. That will show you the type of fields that we have to add: text box, text area box, select box, and a submit button. We have those 4 fields. I like the select box to use that because we can put a lot of selections in there, and it's very compact. So we can select the select box and submit it, and then we could put the values in. So in this case, the value will be department. That will be the text label, and also identify the label and the name for the select field. And we could put its first value in as customer service, and now we can add the field. And as you can see at the bottom, we see it there. Now we can move these fields around. So let's take that field and bring it up above these, above the, let's see, above the message We'll do it above the message field. Bring it above it. And there we have it. Okay. So we have that, and let's change its background to be similar to the other guys. I click on the background of that field and I can change it to the background that's been used. Let's look at inside the field here. If we do the drop down, we could see it says make selection, and below it customer service there. So let's add another option, another choice for that drop down box in department. So let's click its background for this field, and in the little toolbar on top, let's select the pencil there for edit, and let's click on the value. We have a drop down for value. Let's click on add option. That opens up a window, and we could add some more options here. So we could say tech support. We can save it. Let's see if it added it to our drop down. There it is, customer service tech support there. We can add another department, and this department will be let's see, we have customer service tech support. What other department here? We'll call it marketing. We'll put marketing in as another one. Save it and close out this window, and let's check it over here. Okay, we have it all there. Now maybe we want to call that label department 2. We could change that right now, and likewise the name and the label for the field, and click modify, and there we have it, department 2. And if we look on the field, we can see customer service, marketing, tech support in the drop down menu. Okay, so that works well. Now we can also design the response to this form. So if we wanted to, we could click the background of the form, and on its toolbar on top we can select the icon that says show form response. We can click on that, and here we have the response that's been designed. So if I wanted to, I can add a picture here. So I can actually go to open the multimedia library and do a search for some images. So if I wanted to, I could put another image in here. So let's select the image from the multimedia library, click the background of the response, the form response screen, and I could add images there into the form response screen. So let's take that image out now, put it back to what it was, and let's now close this out, and we could test the form. So everything now is live, and we could test the form. Let's do it now. We'll just resize it a little bit there. So if I were to submit this now, it would show you the thank you screen, which we've designed. Now we can go. Let's go back now to the form. Close it out by clicking on the response screen, click the close link, and it takes us back to the form. And we could, if we wanted to, we could put some fields required. So if we click the background of the form and click on the icon on its toolbar that's for required fields, we could specify, for example, email is required. Click that, save it. Now let's click our submit button again and see what happens. Tells us that we're missing email field, so you have to go back, fill it out. So I'm going to fill this out now, put my name in there, Web Specialist 2000. I'm going to put department is tech support, and I'm going to put in a message, testing, and we'll submit it. And there we have it. The message has been sent, and we could close it out again. So that's a demonstration of using a form, in this case a pre-built form. We've modified the CSS of the form for text, for borders. We've also added fields, and we have 4 different type of fields that we've added. We're able to design both the form itself, plus by clicking on it, the icon on its toolbar, we can also design the response form and test it right there in the admin. So this has been a demo on using the a form integration. And let's do one last thing. Let's save this form. Actually, let's publish it and see the result in the let's see the result in the user side. Alright, so it's converting it to desktop version plus the mobile version for the mobile phone. And let's go to test user side on the upper left and take a look at it. There's the form. Let's click display mobile view and see how it looks in mobile. And there we have it. This is the mobile form. Let's click the submit button. Oops, tells us we have to fill it out. So let's fill it out quickly. Testing. And submit that. And this is the response that we get, that we designed. So everything works fine. So that concludes this video on integrating a form into ZanzaBee. Thank you, bye.